Okay, guys, here's the two size and scale off the dimensions and plans that I got. 30-inch range, microwave centered on that. So these doors above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 doors are all the same width. So because this is 24 deep on the base and these are 12 deep, we cannot have the base the same width and the upper the same width. So I always default to having these uppers the same width because that's what you're going to notice the most. So again, these 7 doors are the same width, glass, glass, and it would be a interior that matched the exterior of the cabinet. Drawer stacks left and right of the range. And in your sketch, you had the microwave here. My 2 cents to put the microwave on this wall because of having another appliance to the left. I just personally think it'll look better over here. Lazy Susan in the corner. So these 2 doors open up as one. Upper cabinet is L-shaped, as is the base cabinet. These 2 doors open as one, and it's an L-shaped shelf on the interior. Uppers here. Fridge leg, fridge cabinet. This comes out 26 1/4, so the granite dies into that. Dishwasher, drawer stack to the right. Trash, apron, sink. Drawer stack here. So this wall being 54 inches, we're a little tight on this wall or this cabinet. If we do a 33-inch apron sink, that cabinet needs to be, the sink cabinet needs to be 36. So we have about 1.5 inches on each side. So this wall is 54 1/4 per the drawing. And we can see where the corners come together. The sink cabinet's only 34 1/2. So we'll have to massage that a little bit to see what we can do. But we'll address that as we continue sharpening our pencil on this job. But this is what I've got so far, and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.